Hey guys, it's Olivia and I'm in my kitchen today. So today we're going to be trying out 3 TikTok food hacks that I've seen on TikTok because I'm obsessed. And without further ado, let's just get right on into this because I hate explanations. So this recipe calls for Oreos, milk, in a mug. So apparently this is supposed to be really simple. You're supposed to put crushed up Oreos inside the mug, fill it with milk, mix it, and microwave it for a minute. So that's what I'm gonna do. So this is the consistency that I'm working with. So it definitely became a cake-like texture, so that's a good sign. Okay, so let's try it. It smells pretty good. Wow. I review this a 10 out of 10. It's so simple to make. It takes 1 minute, 2 ingredients. Oh my god. Yeah, you have to try this. It's so good. It's a little hot, that's why my face is looking weird, but good flavor, so simple to make. TikTok, you got this one right. The moment you have all been waiting for, pancake cereal time. So I only have this healthy pancake mix right now, so hopefully that doesn't affect the way that these are made. But let's try it. So the instructions are to just follow the normal pancake recipe. So that's what I'm doing. And then once it's all mixed up, you want to put it in a bag, or if you have like some sort of like ketchup squirter or something like that, you just transfer this to there. Now this is the part I'm most nervous for. It's either gonna go really well or really bad. So we shall see. So I can't continue doing the pancakes. They just flop too bad, and I'm really sad about it. You know, I thought that there'd be hope still, but then I tried to flip them and I think I did it too soon. So I'm sorry, pancakes. Even though the pancakes defeated me, I would still like to say I think it's an excellent idea. I'm just horrible at cooking, so I messed up. So I'm sure it's a 10 out of 10. It's literally just small pancakes in a cereal form, pretty much. So there's no way it's bad. So I would still recommend to do it. Just don't be stupid like me. So for the final project, we got the whipped coffee. So I got my instant coffee, got some sugar, and then I got the sink over there for some water. All right, and now we mix. All right, so visibly, it turned out perfect. That was my dog. She's asthma. So I'm gonna try it without mixing it first. Straight up milk, so let's try mixing it. Okay. Ooh, that's good. Yeah, I recommend doing this. It's really simple, nice iced coffee. The only thing that would suck is if you don't have a hand mixer. Probably will take forever to get it to the right consistency, but yeah, overall this is really good. I can see the hype. So that concludes this cooking with Olivia video. Not gonna be a series or anything, but you cooked with me. So I hope you enjoyed. I'm sorry that the pancakes were a fail, but it was still fun to try it out. And let me know if you've tried any of these in the description below. And also let me know if you like TikTok too. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.